Hi guys, so in this video we're gonna see if you want the fluent in English, you must the practicing every day is the need. You still the translating in your mind, so that is the important. Like why I am saying is you do not that translate in your mother tongue to English. So that is the problem. Why I am saying is a lot of the people there are struggling to speaking. That is the reason. You know, like you are translating in your mother tongue to English. It is that take time, and you how to say you don't the the how to say if you speaking the English your mother tongue you are translating the everything. So that is so that is one of the reason I think. So how to say if you the simple start like the simple word, so initially it is the struggling of the lot of things I know. Why I am saying means I am also speaking like this, you know. I am also initially the slowly start, I am also the translating everything in my mother tongue to English, but after that I realized the thing is I like I mean if you the translating everything it is a take time, so you do not the translating. So you instead of the thinking in your mind slowly it is the struggling the initially I think. After that you understanding that how to speak, how to that word you frequently used to do. So that is the important. Like the initially it is the struggling, initially it is the slow, and also you made a mistake it is the lot, but after that it's the learning thing, you know. If you made a mistake you learn from that. So thing is if you the practicing every day and also thinking in English, and also you consuming the lot of the word, and if you watching the YouTube or if you watching the any social media there other than YouTube, you must watch the English content. And also like if you know like if you are the watching any movies also they put on the subtitle and watch it. And also if you watching the reels or something, you know the comment section there, you go to the read those comment section how they are that texted in the English, because of so many people are that texted in the English in the comment section. So go on to the read that how to there are the sentence framing, how to they are speaking, and also some of the video they are speaking, you repeat them. Like if someone they are speaking, like what I mean like you repeating those words like the shadowing techniques, so that is also helpful. Like the initially it is the struggling lot, I know. I'm also beginner, like I'm also the same thing, I'm also struggling the lot, but you know I'm still trying every day. Like you know in my YouTube channel the views like the watching people it is a less, but you know I'm consistently put on the videos. Why I am doing that? If you the consistently put on the videos, I'm not the like edited video, it is the real time video, I'm not any put on the edit, I take the video and put on the YouTube channel. Like why I'm saying this, there were so many people of the edited video they are putting the for the something different, but in my opinion I am take my the progress how I am learning the English, how in my future I watch it the later, this is the helpful because of I show my friends or something different. So it is the important part. So these are the in this video I understand. So start simple and every day simple, use the simple sentence. The like I am wake up, I brush my teeth, I'm go to somewhere, I'm go to outside, I went someplace. So that place so many people there. I gonna go some party, I gonna go some temples. So like that they so simple word, yeah, you can use it. After that, yeah, you will be the fluency get I think. So start simple and slow. So initially it is the struggling so many things, I'm also beginner. Like initially it is the, I know it is a tough, but you need to the speak in the English. You must speak in the English. It is a made mistake. It is the stucking. So slowly it is the adapt your mind. After that, yeah, you can learn. So thanks for the supporting and thanks for the watching the full video. So if you interested, speak with me. Like put on the comment section. I will create some Google Meet. And also this kind of the useful words I given the daily how to speak, how to simply speak. Uh, I'm put on my channel. So if you're interested, follow me and share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks for the watching. We're gonna see the next video the tomorrow. So thanks for the watching.